Welcome, here are beautiful balcony makeover and design ideas to inspire your next upgrade. Let's start with minimalist cozy balconies. Simple cushions, warm light and soft colors can turn any space into a relaxing corner. Add greenery to bring life to your balcony. Hanging planters, vertical garden and lush plants instantly make the space fresh and peaceful. For a more creative, artistic vibe, try a boho style balcony. Use layered rugs, pattern, macrame decor and string lights for a cozy atmosphere. If you love a classy look, go modern. Clean lines, stylish furniture and soft lighting make your balcony feel luxurious. Even small balconies can shine. Use foldable tables, multi-purpose furniture and wall shelves to save the space. A few simple changes can transform your balcony into a perfect outdoor escape. Like and subscribe for more design ideas. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.